It's me, Blippi. Did you see what they were doing? Yeah, they were skiing and snowboarding. And today, you and I are gonna learn about snowboarding. Woo! Today, we are at Mountain Creek Resort in New Jersey, United States. And we are going to learn about snowboarding. Oh, hey!
Hi!
What's your name?
I'm Hillary.
Ooh, what is this place?
This is the Bird Riglet Park.
Ooh, what do you do here?
This is where we teach kids 3 to 6 how to snowboard.
Ooh, can I go check it out?
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay, come on. Whoa, this place looks like so much fun. Ooh, come here. Whoa, did you see that? Right here, let's talk to him. What are you doing?
We are teaching Gracie here how to snowboard.
Hey, Gracie, can I have a high five? Oh, ow, so powerful.
The strongest high five ever.
Yeah, what's that in your hand?
This is called a riglet.
Ooh, come check it out. What does the riglet do?
So we use this. It's a little retractable leash for younger kids that are just learning to snowboard. We're helping them work their balancing skills.
Cool.
And we can adjust the length of it so I can make it a little bit longer if I wanted to stand out here. You can bring it in close. So what I'm doing is I'm propelling her across the snow as she hits all the cool features we have here.
All
We're
right.
going to keep balanced, doing little jumps.
Cool, are you ready to shred it? All right, go shred.
All right.
All right,
You
check
ready
it
for the
out.
bump bar? All right, we're going for the bump bar. For the middle hand, jump. Nice!
Ooh, see this? This is a snowboard, a kid's snowboard. And see this right here? This is the riglet. This is what you use to hold to pull the child, like you. You want to learn to snowboard? All right, here we go. Come on. Oh, awesome! Yeah, awesome grind. Whoa, that was some big air. Woo! All right, now it's time for me to go snowboarding. Oh, hey, look. This is my snowboard. Whoa, it's so big. Let's go. Wait. I can't go snowboarding in this attire. Come on. We need our snow gear on. All right. First set of snow gear. Yeah, a pair of pants. Yeah! All right, now that I have my pants on, we need our snow boots. Whoa! All right, let's put them on. These are awesome. I can't touch my sock to the snow or else it's gonna get wet. Oh yeah! Look at me now! Woo! All right, it's a little chilly though. What's next? Yeah! A blue jacket! Ooh, this looks so warm. Let me put it on. Look at me now! Ooh, my nice blue jacket, my bright orange pants, my sweet snow boots. Look down here first. Ooh, yeah! Look at this. This is a helmet. All right. Whoa! Look at it. Pretty sweet helmet. Helmets are used to keep your head safe. You gotta wear a helmet. Look at this. Awesome! Yeah! Some sweet goggles. Whoa! Yeah! See you later, glasses. And last but not least, some gloves. Haha! Now I can go snowboarding. All right, now we're at the ski lift. Yeah, this is where you ride it to the top of the mountain. First, you have to put on one binding on the boot. So you put it in your boot right here. Then you strap it in. Make sure it's nice and tight. And here's the second strap. See, there's 1, 2 straps. All right, here I go. It's almost my turn. Here I go. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! All right, now I'm off to the chairlift. I have to put my second foot in. See? One's right here, and one is right here for 2 feet. All right, we have 2 straps too. Okay, the first strap is in, and now the second strap is in. Here we go. Snowboarding. Let's go! Yeah! Oh, whoa! Wow! There's so many skis and snowboards in here. Ooh, look at this one. It's the color yellow. Whoa! This one's the color red. Hey, look at this one. This one's the color blue. All right, let's head over to my snowboard and tune it. That's where you make it really sharp and waxy, so then you can go really fast. Hey, here it is. Whoa, the first thing you have to do is take off the bindings. This is where you put your feet. All right, so this is the top of the snowboard. Ooh, and this is the base of the snowboard. See how there's some scratches in it? Yeah. We are gonna take those out, grind it down, and add some wax. So the first machine is this machine. This is the grinder machine. See, there's a grinder right there and a wheel that pushes it. So let me turn on the water first. All right, here we go. Look at how smooth it is. All right, let me turn off the water. Whoa, all right, it's really smooth. See, it's kind of wet from the water. So the next thing we have to do is grind the edges. Whoa, see this machine? This machine is the grinder. Wow, there's a little bit of sandpaper right there, and it grinds the edges. For this machine, you need an expert. So let's go get us an expert. Hello.
Hello.
So this is Felipe. He's gonna take the snowboard and grind the edges. Whoa. Wow, thank you so much.
See you later.
See ya. All right, so now the edges are really sharp. We need to apply some wax. But first, let's dry off the board. Come here. Take a paper towel, wipe it down a bit. All right, there we go. So now I have a really cool machine to show you. Come over here. Whoa, you see this? This is a quick waxer. See, this is what applies the wax, and then back here, this is the bufferer. So, first thing you have to do is take some wax, some blue wax, and run it right there, which is really hot. Then take the snowboard. Whoa, all right, now there's wax on the bottom. Now we need to buffer it. Here we go. Whoa, yeah! Wow, the snowboard is perfect now. So now let's set it down. Then we put the bindings back on. And now, we're ready to ride. Yeah, that was awesome. I'm just playing with this snowboarder toy in this mini terrain park. I think we should tear it up. Come on. Whoa, whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, that was a gnarly wipeout. What else is around here? Ooh, look at this. It says, color your board. Ooh, look, some colored pencils. All right, first things first. Yeah, my name. Will you spell my name with me? Yeah. B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. Good job. All right, now for some color. A lot of color. One of my two favorite colors. Orange. Ready? Whoa! Whoa! Yeah, this is gonna be an awesome board. All right, my second favorite color. Blue. Ready? Whoa! Whoa! Yeah! All right, now for a masterpiece. Sweet! Look at it! Sweet snowboard! Wow! All right. Whoa! What do we have here? Ooh, looks like a really fun game. Looks like we have two die, a green one and a yellow one. All right, I'm gonna stand on a snowboard and then throw one of these. Let's throw the green one, okay? And whatever number it lands on, we have to put our hand there. Oh, look! It landed on the number 5. All right, a number 5 is an indie, and it's right here. Ready? Whoa, yeah! Woo! I really stuck that one. All right, let's do another one. Do you see the number? Yeah, it's the number 3. All right, this is a melon grab. Ready? Whoa! Right here! Whoa! 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 That was so much fun! Ooh! We have some snowboards right here. Check it out. This snowboard is the color green and orange. Ooh! Whoa! Put that right there. Check out this snowboard. It's the color red and blue. And I'm gonna ride it. Put these foam pads right here. And this is where you come to practice. Yeah, what a cool room. Whoa! Whoa! All right. See, you can lean on your toe side, the edge of the snowboard where your toes are, and then you can go on your heel side. Whoa! Where the edge of the snowboard where your heels are. Then you can act like you're riding. Practice your balance and get on the edges of your snowboard. Whoa! Whoa! It's like I'm riding down the hill. Whoa! Whoa! All right. Whoa! What are these? Ooh! Wow! This is a yellow spooner, and this is a green spooner. Check out what you do with these. You set them on the ground, put one foot here, another foot here. Whoa! And you can balance on all edges. See? Toe, heel, back foot, front foot. You can do some sweet spins. Whoa! 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 Wait a second. Do you hear that? Yeah! It's the Spooner song!
We are